Hello everyone, myself Pavani. I am working as Assistant Professor in CSE AIML Department at MLR Institute of Technology. Previous videos we discussed some boardnet, framenet, some stemming process and research corpora. Next, NLTK. This is all comes under some lexical resources. Today we discuss POS taggers. See what is the meaning of here POS taggers? Parts of speech tagger. That means whenever we are applying parts of speech by using some tools, those tools are called as a POS taggers. This is the main meaning of the POS taggers. Let's see the one by one POS taggers. So first of all, we have to know about what is the POS tagger and why the POS tagger is important. Some different types of POS taggers. Let's see the one by one. So coming to what is a POS tagger? So in natural language processing, it is a tool. In natural language processing, the POS tagger is a tool. It assigns the parts of speech to the each word. The parts of speech contains noun, verb, some adjective, some preposition, some etc. In a sentence based on the meaning and context. Depends on the surrounding, it decides some POS tags. To identify the grammatical role of each word. By using POS tagger, we can identify the grammatical role of the each word. Helps machines to understand sentences, structures and disambiguate meaning. By using POS taggers, we can understand the sentence meaning and we can disambiguate the sentence meaning by using the word sense disambiguation. Here it is a processing step for many NLP tasks like parsing, we discussed right previous in sessions, translation and question answering systems. These are some applications wherever you are using some POS tagging to process the sentence. Let's see the sentence here. Here I am taking one sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is a sentence. So first I have to tokenize sentence. First divide sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Then after tokenizing, we have to apply the POS tagger tool. See here, the da is the determiner, quick is the some adjective, brown is the adjective. Here fox is the noun. According to surrounding sentences, we have fox is the here noun. Jumps is the some verb. Over is the some injunctions. That means inflection. Da is the determiner, lazy is the adjective, dog is the noun. This is some POS taggers. We are assigning the POS to the sentences, right? This is some basic example. Let's see why is the POS tag is important. Because the POS tag is important. It plays a major role in these three areas. Some word disambiguation. Whenever ambiguity found, by using the POS tagger, we can resolve that ambiguity in words and disambiguation. Let's see syntax understanding and improves the accuracy of the NLP task. Let's see what is the meaning of second in syntax understanding means it helps the sentence parsing. That means by using syntactic rule, we have to follow some grammatical rules. That means to form a structure, we have to follow some sentence to child node. We have to follow some syntactic rules. For grammar checking also it will help and improves the accuracy. So by using POS taggers, it improves the accuracy. Where it improves accuracy, some name entity recognize. That means whenever we have to find out a place, some person name, some things, some entities, by using this we can improve the accuracy. And machine translation. That means whenever we have to translate one language to another language, it plays a very important role. See the next one, sentiment analysis. That means we have to find out happy sentence. That means angry sentence. Then the POS tag is very important. Because we are assigning the POS taggers means depending on the surrounding of text, we have to assign the POS tags. See the different types of POS tagger tools, right? See first one, Stanford log linear POS tagger. Here what is the purpose of Stanford log linear POS tagger means? It in each word of sentence such as noun, verb, adjective, etc. it helps machine to understand the grammatical structure of a sentence. You already know, right? It is the POS tagger mainly focus on machine learning technique, that is the maximum entropy Markov models. This is the one application. It is a machine learning technique. By using this, we can develop this Stanford log linear POS tagger. So let's see the key features one by one. See, first one, based on the maximum entropy Markov models, it uses the probabilistic model, right? We have, in previous session video, we have to find out the probabilistics, right? We have to find out the probabilistics of sentence in your word. That means 0 point something, 0.5. That means how much the word is important in the particular sentence. By this is the called as a probabilistic model to predict the most likely POS tag. That means how the important of the particular word. Each word by learning from previous tag data. That means we have to find out the POS tag. It is which one is more likely, means depends on the previous tag, previous word. See, the second one uses both preceding and following tag context. We discussed here now, right? It depends on the previous tag. Suppose this is a word, right? It depends on the previous tag and next coming tag. That means following tag. It does not look at the current word, but always also considers the tags of words before and after current word. Let's see the example here. Suppose I am taking here, read the book, book the tickets. Here, after, here suppose the noun here, suppose we think book, right? So what is there before and after? Here, after is nothing is there, right? Book. So read the book is, here book is a noun. But here, book the tickets means, here the tickets is the noun. Here book act as a verb. This is the main difference. It means depends on surrounding previous and after following words. It will decide the sentenceful meaning, that POS tags. Next, see the third one. Uses dependency network representation. The Stanford log linear feature POS tagger used in a dependency network representation. It model relationship between the words using some graph structure. In this network dependency, we have to follow the graph structure where it like subject to verb, some modified to noun. That means we have to improve the tagging accuracy. See, next one, uses of broad range of lexical features. See, lexical features means we have morphological analysis, right? Some suffixes, prefixes, more, right? Here the taggers takes into account variations at word level features. See the word from here, run, running, right? Here suffixes are ing. We have to remove the suffixes and infixes and some calculation. That means we have to find out the root word. Calculation means here London starts with a capital letter and it is likely a proper noun. This is an example of the some capitalization. Let's see here. Next one, next feature incorporates priors in a conditional long linear model. Here this feature is conditional log linear model. It assigns, that means log linear model means this is a mathematical, right? We have assigning the probabilities, that means weights to the, suppose in previous we discussed, right? Some word contains some 20% weightage, right? That means I am specifying is that there this word is a priority. I am giving some 20%. Like this same, it assigns the weights to features based on how informative they are. That means how much the word is important in a sentence, which helps in selecting the best tag for each word under the different conditions. This is a conditional log linear model. Next, see the accuracy and performance. By using the POS taggers, we can find out the accuracy. That means we can improve the accuracy and performance of the sentence, right? Here, it achieves, suppose, let us take here, a Stanford POS tag achieves some 97.2% accuracy on the some Penn Tree Bank WSD. That means Wall Street Journal. This is a data set name. This is some data set name. They use that had used in some Stanford POS tagger tool. They achieve some 97.24%, which is considered as a high standard NLP. That means this is the highest standard NLP in NLP. POS tagger tool in NLP. Let's see the example. Here sentence 1 contains she can fish. Here she can fish. That means here fish act as a here verb because of dependence on the previous word. That means she is able to catch fish, right? See, so fish can act as a verb. Let's see the second sentence. Fish are swimming in the pond. Here fish act as a noun because let's see the following word. So these are fish are the animals. Here depends on the surrounding text. Fishes are swimming in the pond because it is a fish is here is a noun. Following word swimming, right? Because swimming means animals are swimming, right? So fish is the animal. Tagger sees fish as a subject and or as a verb. So fish is tagged as a noun. The tagger, the Stanford tagger tool will do what will do. Let's see the first understand the sentence, then find out the each and every tokenization. After tokenization, it understands the surrounding text of the particular sentence meaning. Then it evaluate the POS taggers. Here it will understand first fishes are swimming in the pond. Here fish is a subject, right? Or is the some verb. So in this case, the fish is the noun. See the next one, a POS tagger for English. That means this particular tagger I am using for only English. Let's see, this POS tagger is developed by some maximum entropy Markov models, MEMM. This is a machine learning techniques. So here it uses both previous and future words in a sentence to assign the correct tag. Here improvement is some undirectional models, but better context means better accuracy. So here we are using the some support vector machines, that means TF, IDF vectors and some bag of words. Here, right, we have to find out the English we discussed in previous videos, TF, IDF, how to find out the TF, some factorization. TF, IDF vectors means 0, 1, like this. We have to find out the some factorization. See the example here. They lead the team. Here lead is the some verb. Context is they is a subject according to surrounding text followed by a word. So lead is the action. See the second sentence. The pipe is made of lead. See here, lead is the noun because here lead is the material, right? The pipe is made of lead. This is some surrounding, depends on surrounding. The POS tag allocates the POS tags. Let's see the third one, trigrams. That means T and T. That means trigram and tags. It is in this tool used the some hidden Markov models. Hidden Markov models. See, the meaning is there. Trigram means 3. Previous 2 tags plus current tag. That means current word. Understand the point here. Trigram means 3, right? So it will allocate the, that means it will check, the tagger will check previous 2 tags plus following word. This is the trigram. Let's see the, this is a very fast and accurate, especially for well-formed text. That means in a structured format, text will with is very accuracy. See the example here. Fruit flies gather near bananas. A sentence here. Flies is a here noun. The trigram, let's see. It checks the fruit and flies gather. The model knows fruit flies is a compound noun. That means the automatically trigram knows it is a compound noun. Next, fourth one, Brill Tagger. Here, what is the purpose of Brill Tagger tool is? It is mainly designed by some rule-based transformation tagger. Rule-based transformation tagger. So it starts with some initial guess and defines target using. So it will go to the previous and next words. It will start with some random pick, and that means initially it guesses some POS, and after assigning the POS, it uses the rules. So it changes, sometimes it changes noun to verb to some noun, and preposition it will change because it's not a constantly POS tag, right? By using, we can apply this POS tag in multiple purposes. See here, she likes to paint. Initially it is a paint noun, right? Here, whenever we apply the rule, if the previous word is changed to verb, the paint is verb. This is the meaning of the Brill Tagger. That means automatically you can change the words. Here clause POS tagger for English. That means here clause means conscient likelihood grammar. This is a one type of POS tagger tool for English only. It uses the grammatical rules and probabilities works well in new domains like legal, scientific, and medical text, some government paper documentation. There we are using this POS tagger because it shows the very accuracy result. See the here example, while walking, he saw the bird fly. Fly here, fly is a some verb. The system understands the clause structure, identify the fly as the main verb. This is the meaning of the some POS taggers in English. Clause POS tagger, that means constant likelihood grammar in a POS tagger. Let's see the next one, tree tagger. Here within the name itself, tree tagger means it displays in a structured format. That means probability decision trees to predict the POS tagger. Here we are using the probability decision trees, right? See the example, the bat flew. Here bat is the noun. He will bat next. That means here bat is the verb. Depends on the surrounding context. Decision trees use word features and sentence structures to disambiguish. Here next one, echo post taggers. Here what is the meaning of echo post? See what is here echo post means. Let's see by default it is developed by the some C language framework with multiple models. Includes the some POS tag models within the C language framework. It includes some HMM. That means it's a combination of all techniques, HMM, MEMM, some etc. Right? See, flexible for different types of text. That means it is available to all the sentences, some formal, informal, technical sentences. Let's see the example here. AC post tags text from a legal document or fit with the appropriate tags using the best suited tagger model. It consists of the 4 taggers. See here. First one, maximum entropy tagger. Next one, trigram tagger. Next, error driven transformation based tagger. And next one, example based. Let's see the first one. Here, what is the meaning of maximum entropy tagger? It uses the iterative learning to improve the tag accuracy, distinguish relevant features in a word context. By using entropy, we can improve the word context. Let's see the example. Please close the door. Here, close is the some verb. They are close friends. Here, close is the adjective. See the comparison between the here close and close. Here, in first sentence, close act as a verb. In second sentence, close act as adjective. Because tags are correctly evaluated as a context. See the second one, trigrammer T3. That means trigrammer tagger. It is used by the some HMM based tagger using the trigram. Let's see same we discussed in previous, right? Type T and T. Same. Last 2 tags, POS tag plus current word. See the sentence here. The man can fish. Here can is a some modal, some fish is a some verb. Here can before fish, likely it is a some verb. Here man is a the man can fish, right? Understand sentences. See here next one, error driven transformation tagger. Here what is the meaning of here error driven means it is mainly on rule based corrections. Initial tagging to apply all to the correction rules. So whenever we are correcting the errors, usually by using this we can find out that particular errors and rectify errors. Here I can swim, right? First pass can is a here I can swim. Here can act as a noun. But rule applied if can follows pronoun, it is a verb. First it identifies the can as a noun, but applying whenever we are applying the rules, it goes to the verb. Next see example based tagger. The meaning itself is example based tagger means it will in a database, but whenever we are applying this tool in database it will check the previous examples. Here it is a technology we are using the memory based learning, that means database memory based, that means we are storing in this we are storing some previous examples. It stores the examples in memory, matches a new sentence with previous similar past example. It checks the previous example, then allocates the POS tags. Echo post taggers. See the example here. She runs daily, right? Here matches with the early similar examples like he runs fast. That means in previous database, that means memory based learning contains he runs fast sentence is there. So automatically checks runs is the verb. It allocates the POS tag verb. This is the meaning of that echo post, right? Next, last one, POS tagging for Indian languages. So we come to the Indian languages. The automatic text processing of Hindi and other Indian languages is constrained heavily due to lack of basic tools. It is somewhat still improving, right? It is completely not allocate the POS tagging correctly. Research group is still going research by IIT Bombay, development of morphological analysis. POS taggers for Hindi and Marathi. Both these languages have a rich morphological structure, because we already discussed the Indian languages, Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, right? Because still there is a morphological, because sentence to sentence there is a variation is there. So because that purpose, morphological structure is still improvement is going. Their approach is based on bootstrapping on small corpus tagged by the rule-based POS tag. Then apply the some statistical techniques, that is N-gram model. This is the overall POS taggers which we are using in the our applications for POS tagging. So this is what we discussed this in this session is. So what is the meaning of POS tag, POS tagger, why it is where it is important, why it is important, and some different types of POS taggers. This is a one other part in a lexical resources, right? Thank you.